Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you how to do our POS automated promotion. But before anything else, we'd like to inform you that our POS automated promotion, it's only activated for cloud users or subscribers only. So the first step that we have to do is to log in into our back office side. The moment we log in, tap the sales module icon, and then once you're good to go, just tap the POS automated promotion. So here you will see the promotion type. You have two options. You can only select one of the two. You can't have two promotion in one item, so you need to create one for each. So here we have the promotion type will be quantity. Search the name of your item. I have your test. Select which test that I'll be using. If there's specific location for this promotion, you may able to select that one. I'll be doing my promotion in my store. Category of this item will be my stocks, and if there are brands, you may also select specific brands. Next, this is promotion based on quantity, which is the promotion type that I have selected. So the first is if they purchase 10 pieces, I am going to give them one free. So it's like a 10 plus 1 kind of promotion. So if you select amount, so you have to delete this one. Here, this one should be the one you're going to fill in if it's the promotion type is amount. So if the required amount will be 500 bucks, I am going to give them a discount or a promotion of every 500 bucks purchase, you get 5% discount. So that is the options for promotion. You cannot have both. You have to select between amount and then the quantity. Once you're good to go, you can actually filter the start date of your promotion. We have a calendar method here, and then the end date. I'm going to end it on 17 on Sunday. And then you have the start time and the end time. I want to end it by 11:30 p.m. So that is my promotion, and just tap add. Automatically, the system will inform you that you have created your promotion. You may able to edit this anytime or delete this if you don't want to implement it anymore. So that is how we do our promotion process here in the back office side of our software.